Yeah, welcome back. This is John from Nigeria, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to play Yoruba makossa song. Right now. Kinima fi sogo re oh go. Okay, and I'm doing it in the key of F major. It's a makossa song, the same number makossa progression. So that was the progression of the song. So the interlude, or I call it the ring and solo, that is normally played when the song is sung, okay, is like this. This is another makossa songs. Okay. So for me, do me so. La sol la re, so fa mi re do mi so, la sol la re, so kini ma fi so. So that's all about this tutorial. So if you have any song requests you want me to play, you can just comment it in the comment box, okay? And if you are a beginner that is struggling to learn piano, you can message me for a private lesson on WhatsApp with the numbers in the description, okay? Charges are applied to that one anyway. So thank you very much for watching. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. God bless you. See you later.